Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Sony LinkBuds. So let's start with open the application, and the first one, you have noise cancelling. Especially for me it's the best one because I can't live without ANC. So you have it on your headphones. Next one, you have Bass Boost. Click on Equalizer and right here choose Bass Boost, and you can enable Bass Boost for yourself. It's really cool feature. Next one, you have dual connection. So if you wanna connect it to devices, you can do it on these headphones. Next one, you have speak to chat mode. It call it right here, and so when you speak with start to speak with someone, it lower the sound and reduce background noises, and I think it's really cool. And the last one, you have DSEE Extreme. It's really cool feature, so you can enable it also here in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.